Hey guys, just a little update. We've been cleaning. Look at the dash. Ain't that beautiful? Yeah. Took all the doors down. Wife's been washing cupboards and doors. Look at that. Nice and clean. She's been washing away. Refrigerator's clean. Real nice and clean. Freezer's clean. Took all the doors. They're over there. I'm gonna sand them and paint them. That's why they're all down. All the vents are down because they're yellow. I'm gonna end up painting those too. We're painting all the walls. We're putting kills on the floor. I got a new toilet. I'm gonna redo the pedestal. We got this all ripped up. Got the doors off. Cleaned up. See that? They had a heating duct under the bed. Don't know why. But, oh, I forgot to take these doors off. Crap. I got 3 more doors to take down. I forgot about those. That's tomorrow when I tackle this toilet. And then I got that door to take off yet. But yeah, she's coming along. I got all the vents and everything off. Got the power off right now, but those all work. Got this electrical sorted out. Yeah, it's coming along. Now all I gotta do is, I've been pulling staples out of the floor. I still gotta get up under there. And I got some up front to do when I take the seats out. And I got a little bit back here I gotta pull. You can see the carpet there. Right there. I'm replacing this board because it's black. I'm gonna replace it. I'm replacing all the flooring in here. It's all getting replaced, even this in here. All that. So that'll be a fun one, but she's getting cleaned. I'm gonna buy that Kills, and everything getting painted with the Kills because I can color code it because of the smoking in here. I still gotta figure out how to clean this carpet up here. But all these lights are getting switched to LED, every one of them out through the whole thing. So are these ones. I got 2 of those, one there and one there. They're going to be switched to LED. So, but anyways, I got a little repairs here and there, like that corner there. That ain't no big deal. It's easy stuff. And that there, I'm going to put a board on the back side, and then I'm going to level it out so we got storage there too. And I got to take care of all that. They're nothing but cables because this motorhome had a dish, satellite dish, and it don't have it no more. So, but what was I going to show you? Oh, right here. That's kind of saggy, but I can fix that. That ain't nothing. That's just the bottom board. You got the top and the bottom. It's double layered. But she's coming along slowly. Still got to clean the bathroom and the bedroom yet. We got until the end of the month. And then I'll buy the Kills. And we'll get busy. And put the floor in. And yep. It's going to be a slow process. I hope you guys hang in there and enjoy it. We got solar up there, just one little flat, it looks like a stick-on solar. But, yep, well, that's the progress. We've been leaving it wide open to air out. Since we took the rug out, the smell has improved like you wouldn't believe. It smells a lot better. She stopped cleaning about right there. She's coming around here, and then she got the front walls, because I did all the dash area. It looks brand new up there. Backup camera does work, so that's a plus. Black and white, but it's better than nothing. But she's running good. I'm gonna go through the brakes and stuff like that yet. The leveling jacks, the seals are leaking, and they ain't too expensive to pop the seals out of them and put new ones in. But a lot more room in here. Can't wait to get this done and all cleaned and painted and move in. Don't know what we're going to do with ours yet. We haven't decided. I don't know what to do with it yet, but we sell it. We'll sell it for about $5. We'll get that out of it. So, but she needs to be cleaned up pretty good. So we're doing it slowly. You can see the jacks. See the oil down there. But they do work, so happy about that. Alright guys, we'll talk to you later. I hope you enjoy the video, and it's just a little update where we're at. She's coming together slowly. By the end of the summer, we should be done with her. Alright guys, I gotta get to the store. We'll talk to you later. Bye.